We will do the painting. We will do the painting. We will do the painting, 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 painting.
Baka na mama.
What we are going to do? Painting. So we have one plain wooden frame.
This?
And who is this?
Mommy.
Mommy, good job. Yes. First we have to paint it and then we will use this one in this frame and then we will put here.
Good.
Okay.
Again.
Yes, great. Good job. Okay. So here is green color. Okay. You start painting.
Painting.
Yeah. We will do the painting. We will do the painting. We will do the painting, 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 painting. Ah,
Green.
green.
Wow.
Wow. So you have to paint like this here, here, there, and you have to spread the paint. Okay? Pam, 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 pam. I love painting. I love painting. You love painting? You love painting?
Painting.
Yes. You want to be a painter? We have other side. We have to paint this side. Okay? So I am going to put all color. Just wait. Just wait. Yes.
Blue. Pink.
Okay. And we have to do like this. This. Okay. Now we have to change the brush.
Blue.
Okay. Colors.
But this?
Now all the color we have green, pink, orange, red, blue. Okay.
No painting.
Mm.
But this?
Paper.
Monkey, Papa, monkey. But this?
Yes, sure. Our frame is ready.
Mama.
Mama, say hi, Mama. Say hi.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Yes.